Most people building a Barndominium in 2026 are making the same expensive mistake. They design their home, then figure out the garage later. That one decision is costing people anywhere from $40,000 to $80,000 extra dollars. But what if there was a smarter way to do it? A combination so unexpected that most builders have never even heard of it, yet people who discover it never go back to doing it the traditional way. Today we are breaking down the Skillion roof modern farmhouse Barndominium, paired with a Quonset car garage. This is two of the most compelling alternative building styles combined into one property. And when you see what this combination does to your build cost, your curb appeal, and your lifestyle, you are going to want to watch every second of this video. Before we get into it, if you are new here, this channel is where we break down alternative and non-traditional housing. Honestly, no fluff, no inflated numbers, just real information. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. And stick with me to the end, because I am revealing something about the Quonset garage portion of this build that almost nobody in the Barndominium space talks about. Let us start with the home itself, because this is where the design gets exciting. A Skillion roof is a dramatic, steeply pitched roof that runs in one direction, creating that bold, angular silhouette you have been seeing everywhere on modern architecture. It is sometimes called a monopitch or shed roof, and it is one of the most striking design choices you can make for a Barndominium in 2026. Now combine that roofline with a modern farmhouse aesthetic, and you get something special. Think clean lines, warm wood-look siding or board and batten, floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interior with natural light from the high wall the Skillion roof creates, black steel trim, a welcoming covered porch that runs the full length of the front. This is not your grandfather's barn. This is a genuinely stunning home that turns heads. The Barndominium itself is steel-framed construction, which means no load-bearing interior walls, no complex wood framing, and no trusses eating into your ceiling height. You get completely open interior space, with ceiling heights that can reach 16 feet or more on the high side of that Skillion roofline. That translates to an open-concept living area with soaring ceilings, exposed beams if you want them, massive kitchen islands, and a master suite that feels like a luxury retreat. The modern farmhouse Barndominium style is the top trending Barndominium design in 2026, according to builders across the country. Crisp white or warm wood siding, bold black trim and windows, oversized glass doors, and industrial-inspired lighting are dominating new builds right now. The Skillion roof takes that farmhouse style and pushes it into architectural territory that honestly rivals homes costing twice as much. Here is what makes this roof style functionally brilliant beyond aesthetics. Skillion roofs shed rainwater exceptionally well. In snowy climates, the steep pitch lets snow slide right off, preventing dangerous accumulation. They also allow you to maximize natural light by positioning large windows on the tall wall created by the pitch. And from a construction standpoint, Skillion roofs require fewer materials and less labor than complex multi-pitched roofs, keeping your build costs down. Here is what I want you to hold on to as we move through this video. The roof line of your Barndominium and the design of your garage are going to determine 80% of your curb appeal and long-term satisfaction with this property. Most people get one right and ignore the other. This video is about getting both exactly right. The Quonset car garage, why this combination works now. Here is where this video takes a turn that most Barndominium content never covers. The Quonset car garage. A Quonset structure is that iconic half-cylinder arch building made from corrugated galvanized steel. Zero interior columns, zero load-bearing walls. Completely open span from wall to wall, whatever width you choose. And for a car garage, this design is absolutely perfect. Here is the contrast that makes this property so visually compelling. Your main home has that sharp, angular, modern farmhouse Skillion roofline. Then positioned on your property is the round, arched Quonset garage. These two shapes in conversation with each other create a property that looks like something out of an architectural magazine. The angular meets the curved, the modern farmhouse meets the industrial, and it works in a way that a standard rectangular attached garage simply never could. But beyond aesthetics, the Quonset garage is a practical powerhouse. A 30 by 40 Quonset car garage gives you 1,200 square feet of completely unobstructed space. No columns to navigate around when pulling in a truck. No awkward corners. You can fit 3 full-size vehicles comfortably, with room for wall-mounted storage on both ends. A 40 by 60 Quonset gives you 2,400 square feet, which opens the door to housing an RV, a boat, a collection of vehicles, or a serious hobby setup alongside your daily drivers. The clear span design is genuinely difficult to replicate in traditional garage construction without spending enormous amounts of money on engineered trusses. With a Quonset, it comes standard. What can you park and store in a Quonset garage? Let us get specific. 3 or 4 full-size pickup trucks or SUVs, a 40-foot RV or fifth wheel, a boat on a trailer, classic car collection, side-by-sides, ATVs, and power sports equipment, lawn equipment and garden machinery. And with a dedicated end wall section, you can carve out a small workshop or parts storage area without losing primary parking space. We are going to talk about the full cost breakdown for both structures shortly, and I want to warn you now, the Quonset garage number is going to surprise you. In a very good way. Stay with me. The Skillion Barndominium, real 2026 build costs. Let us get into the numbers, because that is why you are really here. All costs are based on 2026 data. A standard Barndominium shell, which includes the steel frame, roofing, siding, windows, and doors, runs $20 to $35 per square foot for materials only. Add on-site assembly, and you are looking at $30 to $50 per square foot for the complete shell package. That is the starting point. For a 2,400 square foot Skillion roof Barndominium at a mid-range finish level, here is a realistic 2026 breakdown. Shell and structure including the Skillion roof kit, end walls, and assembly runs approximately $85,000 to $110,000. The Skillion design adds a modest premium over a basic gable roof due to the additional engineering on the high side wall, but it is not dramatic. Budget an extra $8,000 to $15,000 compared to a standard gable design for the architectural upgrade. Foundation, which is a 4-inch concrete slab, runs $6 to $14 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, that is $14,400 to $33,600 depending on your region and soil conditions. Interior finishing is the biggest variable in any Barndominium budget. Nationally in 2026, finished Barndominium interiors run $65 to $160 per square foot for the living space. A mid-range finish on a 2,400 square foot home lands at roughly $156,000 to $192,000. High-end custom finishes push $200 per square foot and beyond. For a fully turnkey 2,400 square foot Skillion roof modern farmhouse Barndominium, expect a total cost range of $230,000 to $310,000 at mid-range finishes. That works out to approximately $96 to $129 per square foot. A luxury finish level on the same footprint can reach $350,000 to $450,000. Site costs including permits, well, septic, and driveway typically add another $30,000 to $55,000 in rural areas. Keep those numbers in your head, because in the next section I am showing you what the Quonset garage costs, and when you compare the two together to a traditional build, the savings become very clear, very fast. The Quonset garage, real 2026 build costs here, is where this combination becomes financially brilliant. The Quonset garage is one of the most affordable car storage structures you can build in 2026, and the cost per square foot is genuinely hard to beat. For a 30 by 40 Quonset garage, which gives you 1,200 square feet and comfortably fits 2 to 3 vehicles, the breakdown looks like this. The building kit package runs approximately $21,000 to $26,000. Custom end walls with overhead garage doors come in at roughly $6,000 to $9,000, which typically includes 1 or 2 large garage doors and a walk-in access door. A 4-inch concrete slab foundation for this footprint costs approximately $7,500 to $12,000. If you hire a contractor for assembly, add $5,000 to $8,000. DIY assembly is genuinely manageable with the right crew and can eliminate that labor cost entirely. Total cost for a 30 by 40 Quonset car garage, fully assembled with slab and doors, runs approximately $39,500 to $55,000. That is roughly $33 to $46 per square foot for a weather-tight, durable zero-column garage structure. Compare that to a traditional 2-car detached garage in 2026, which runs $40 to $70 per square foot, or roughly $28,000 to $57,600 for a standard 24 by 24 footprint. The Quonset gives you significantly more space for comparable or lower cost. For a 40 by 60 Quonset garage, which provides 2,400 square feet and serious storage capacity for vehicles, equipment, or an RV, the numbers are as follows. Kit package runs $31,000 to $48,000. End walls with multiple overhead doors add $10,000 to $15,000. Foundation runs $14,400 to $24,000. Assembly labor if hired adds $10,000 to $15,000. Total turnkey cost on a 40 by 60 Quonset garage comes in at approximately $65,400 to $102,000. For full insulation on your Quonset garage, spray foam is the correct approach for curved surfaces and typically runs $1.50 to $5 per square foot. On a 30 by 40 building, budget $7,200 to $24,000 for a properly insulated garage. For a climate-controlled car storage facility, that insulation investment is non-negotiable and pays dividends in protecting your vehicles year-round. Here is the thing almost nobody calculates. When you add the Quonset garage to your Skillion Barndominium as a separate structure on the same property, you get something that a traditional home with an attached garage almost never provides: complete separation of vehicle storage from your living space. Your home stays quieter. No fumes near your living area, no noise from garage doors at 6 a.m., and your garage can be positioned at the optimal angle for your property layout, completely independent of your home's footprint. That separation has real lifestyle value that you genuinely cannot put a price on. The combined property, total cost, and what you get. Let us pull this all together into a real 2026 combined property scenario. Skillion roof modern farmhouse Barndominium, 2,400 square feet, mid-range finishes, fully turnkey at $250,000. Quonset car garage, 30 by 40, insulated, with 2 overhead doors and slab at $52,000. Site costs including driveway connecting both structures, permits, and landscaping at $25,000. Total combined property cost, approximately $327,000. For that money you get a striking, architecturally distinctive modern farmhouse home with 16-foot ceilings, open concept living space, and that bold Skillion roofline, plus a fully functional 1,200 square foot Quonset car garage with clear span storage for 3 or more vehicles, completely insulated and year-round usable. Compare this to building a traditional 2,400 square foot home with an architecturally designed roofline, quality finishes, and a separate 3-car garage structure. That combination in 2026 realistically runs $420,000 to $580,000. The difference is $90,000 to $250,000 in savings, depending on your market. Regional pricing matters significantly. Texas and the Midwest remain the most cost-effective markets for this type of build, where the combined project can be completed closer to the lower end of the ranges. Coastal markets in California add 30 to 45% to labor costs. We are about to cover the one area where this combination build requires careful planning that most people overlook completely. If you skip this part, it can cost you thousands in rework. What you need to plan carefully: zoning and setback requirements are your first checkpoint. Because the Quonset garage is a separate structure, it will be subject to accessory structure setback rules in your jurisdiction. Many rural counties allow considerable flexibility, but some require minimum distances from property lines, from the main dwelling, and maximum square footage for accessory structures. Check this before you design your property layout. Driveway and circulation design matters more than people expect. You want to plan for how vehicles move from your entry point to the Quonset garage without awkward maneuvering, especially if you plan to store an RV or boat. A well-designed circular driveway or extended approach makes daily use dramatically easier. Exterior material coordination between the two structures is worth thinking about. Your Barndominium will have wood-look siding, board and batten, or similar modern farmhouse exterior materials. Your Quonset is corrugated steel. These materials can absolutely coexist and look intentional, especially if you match your trim color or roofing color between both structures. Black trim on the Barndominium and black overhead garage doors on the Quonset creates a unified, intentional look. Utility connections to the Quonset garage need to be planned in the site design phase. Running electrical for lighting and outlets, a separate panel for 240-volt equipment, and any plumbing for a utility sink should all be buried at the foundation and driveway installation stage. Trenching after the fact is expensive and disruptive. There is one more thing about this combination that makes it better as a long-term investment than almost any other alternative housing setup, and it has nothing to do with construction cost. It is about what happens to this property's value and appeal over the next 10 to 20 years. Keep watching. Here is what people in the alternative housing space are starting to realize. Properties that combine a well-designed modern home with a serious, separate vehicle or equipment storage structure are becoming increasingly valuable. As more people work from home, run small businesses, own recreational vehicles, and prioritize lifestyle space, the combination property is moving from niche to mainstream. A Skillion roof Barndominium already stands out in any rural or semi-rural market. Add a Quonset garage, and you have a property that appeals to a broad range of buyers if you ever choose to sell. Car enthusiasts, RV owners, small business operators, hobby farmers, and anyone who values privacy and separation between their living space and working or storage space. The durability argument for both structures is also compelling. Galvanized steel construction on the Quonset garage can last 50 to 100 years with virtually no maintenance. A well-built steel frame Barndominium matches that lifespan. You are not replacing roofs, treating for termites, or repainting siding every decade. The long-term ownership cost of this combination is dramatically lower than a traditional wood-framed home with a standard garage. Who is this combination perfect for? Vehicle collectors and car enthusiasts who need real storage. Rural homesteaders who need covered equipment and machinery storage. Remote workers and small business owners who want a dedicated workspace separate from their home. Families who want serious lifestyle space without a seven-figure price tag. And frankly, anyone who looks at a property with a striking farmhouse home and an architectural Quonset structure on the same lot and thinks, that is exactly what I want my life to look like. The numbers work, the aesthetics work, the lifestyle works. The question is whether you are ready to stop building the same cookie-cutter home everyone else is building and step into something that is genuinely yours. If this video helped you think differently about your build, hit that like button right now and share it with someone who is planning a Barndominium. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns on alternative housing. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will answer every single one. This is the channel where we keep it real, and I will see you in the next video.